Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and that means it's time to start planning your Thanksgiving dinner party. And if you're looking for some free Thanksgiving printables, you're in the right place. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to put together all of our free Thanksgiving printables. I have created this adorable Thanksgiving party favor bundle for you all. Not only are these treat labels super easy to make, but the kids will love them. So let's get started. You can download all of our Thanksgiving freebies by heading on over to our website and checking out our latest blog posts. Also, feel free to check out all of our custom party favors that you can personalize and print today, and our ready-to-edit templates to help you create your own party favors. Alright guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you end up using any of our Thanksgiving freebies, I would love to see photos. You can tag me at Hanging with the Kiddos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more freebies and video tutorials. And see you next time. Bye.